gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our guest sa gala, Ms. Maha Salvador and Escort.
Mr. Jay Cuenca. And of course, now, it's by our chairman himself, designed with Kevin. The gown is designed by Mr. Roland Rojas.
Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give him a big warm welcome. A warm Basinang welcome. The second runner-up for the Indigenous Gown competition is entry number number 7 from designer Leslie M. Rivera with Sagala Marian and Selka Angay and Escort Victor Palayan.
Category 50% side execution, meaning uniqueness, creativity, and originality. Indigenous materials used in craftsmanship 30%, total impact and projection 20% for a total of 100%. Pinning the sash is Ms. Yes. Thank you, Ms. Mina Jose, Mr. Nino Mas. Thank you, Ms. Ching Salas. Is entry number
Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 3 from designer Obed Olahay. With Sagala Monique Moralion and Escort
Charles Martinez. Sagala Monique Moralion with Escort Charles Martinez, designer Obed Olahay.
Okay, now we have already trimmed down the 10 entry to 8, and from the rest of the 8, which we runner-up for the Indigenous Gown competition, designer Obed Orahay. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Let's not forget the cash prize and the plaque. Announcement of the grand winner for the Indigenous Gown category. May we call on Ms. Cory Quirino, Mr. James Cooper to pin the sash, Ms. Nova Veluz to award the bouquet, and again our VIPs for the plaque and cash prize. Winner for the Indigenous Gown category goes to
entry number 10, designer Roland Rojas, Sagala Oliva Villano, and Escort Bon Gavin Barreto.
Ms. Cory Quirino together with Mr. James Cooper will be pinning the sash, and bouquet will be given by Ms. Nova Veluz.
Well, tingnan natin, like we mentioned, the Gandang Pilipina Award goes to entry number correct myself, this is not entry, but instead Sagala. The award goes on a specific Sagala, and she is Sagala number 10. Olive Adriano.
And Juan Daniel Barreto. Oh, sorry. With Escort Juan Daniel Barreto. But the Pilipina Award goes to Miss Olive Adrian.
She's Sagala number 10.